Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create Google Meet link. So do you need to set up a quick meeting? Here's how to create a Google Meet link in just a few seconds. First, go to meet.google.com. Once you're there and signed into your Google account, you will see a button that says New Meeting. So click on it. A little menu will pop up with a few options. To create a link you can share, just select Create a Meeting for later. Google will instantly generate a meeting link for you. You'll see it appear on the screen. Just click the copy icon to grab it, and then you can send it to anyone through email, text, or however you'd like. When it's time for the meeting, just click the same link to join. No extra setup needed. So that's it. Fast, simple, and ready when you are. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.